the nature of this fintech revolution in India is actually different, very, very different. Fintech in India is going to be about inclusion, about taking financial services to people who are not able to consume it, people who don't have a mutual fund account today, who don't have insurance today, who don't have a loan either as a small business or individually today, and being able to avail of those services as they go forward. Don't have a credit card today and still being able to do digital payments, right? This is the revolution that we are talking about. And this revolution is going to be very, very different from the revolution that you hear about from the West. So first, I will implore you is you have to train yourself as investors to be able to parse this messaging that you're getting from various places and say, hey, what's the West saying about this and what's applicable here in India? And the more you are able to make that distinction, the more effective you will be in picking out opportunities as you go forward. If you go in the West, they are actually all talking about, can we disrupt the incumbent banks and replace them with something else? And why that investment philosophy took root was actually because of what was happening in China. Everybody was waiting for Alipay IPO, and China was actually the living embodiment of this model of disruption, saying, hell with the traditional incumbents. They can go to hell. These new age, pure fintech players will take its place. In this context, the Indian model, which was about co-option, about saying that we must build penetration by not necessarily replacing the incumbent players, but by combining them with innovative startups, is the model that is now suddenly mainstream.